This is my first Fendi Peekaboo bag. What makes Fendi bags special is that they really stand a test of time. I've had it for about 3 or 4 years. It still looks great. Are you curious how Peekaboo bags are made? Let's go to the Fendi Factory in Tuscany to find out. So right behind me is the birthplace of the Fendi Peekaboo bag. Come follow me, I'll show you some steps. You're gonna be impressed. Every artisan has their own unique workstation where they're assigned one step. Some of them do stitching, some of them assemble the hardware, some of them work on the different panels. There's so many steps in creating a bag. It all starts with Italian leather. I'm with Saverio, and he's gonna show me how to cut some of the pieces required to assemble the Peekaboo bag. Look at that beautiful leather.
Adesso noi troviamo il punto migliore per andare a tagliare la parte frontale del quadrante, che deve essere molto bella, ok? Quindi cerchiamo di evitare ogni piccolo segno, ogni piccolo difetto. Il taglio viene eseguito manualmente.
This manual technique of cutting the leather really requires utmost attention and flawless precision. So what's our next step?
Dopo aver tagliato il pannello, procediamo alla foratura del pannello. Questo ci servirà poi per andare a infilare la fettuccia che lega le varie parti della borsa e poi andiamo anche a far realizzare questi fori qua che serviranno poi per la decorazione del pannello. Quindi ci serviamo di questa fustella e manualmente, anche in questo caso, andiamo a realizzare i fori. Uno ad uno.
I'm afraid to try it. If I try it and if I make one mistake, that leather is gone.
E quindi noi facciamo questa cucitura della parte anteriore della borsa. E nel particolar modo questo è un dettaglio molto caratteristico, è la balza della Peekaboo. Per prima cosa si prende il filo e si misura la lunghezza del filo che ci serve. Ogni lunghezza viene raddoppiata, quindi in questo caso noi faremo 2 passaggi, quindi saranno 4 lunghezze.
Oh.
3, 4 e un
A little
pezzetto.
bit.
Poi andremo a tagliare il filo. Questa è la nostra cucitura tipica, si chiama selleria, appunto selleria, e viene fatta solo ed esclusivamente a mano, non si può fare con l'utilizzo di un macchinario.
Okay. I'm now going to meet Elisabetta, who has worked as an artisan at Fendi for over 6 years. She's gonna tell me more about the different components of the bag.
For this particular Fendi bag, we use Italian lambskin.
Lambskin leather, you guys. How many parts do we have?
2 panels, the front and the back, the fianchi, the metal hardware, and then in Italian we say tramezza.
How many holes are there in the panels?
In the front panel, almost 600 holes.
Oh my God, there's 600 holes here.
Yeah.
And what about in the whole bag?
In the whole bag, 900.
900.
Yeah.
It's incredible. How many meters of leather strips are we using for this bag?
For this special bag, we use 42 meters of webbing.
42 meters
Yeah.
in one bag.
Yeah.
I mean, where does it all go? The 42 meters of webbing are part of the standout features of the Peekaboo interlace bag. The interlacing technique is not a machine process, but it's handwoven by the artisans to perfection. It's very interesting to watch the skilled artisans at Fendi perform their craft. Every step of the process is truly educational. Ilenia, another leather artisan at Fendi, is about to show me how to paint the edges of the leather.
Con il bacchetto andiamo a prendere il colore e lo applicheremo sulla costola in maniera molto precisa perché non si deve macchiare la pelle.
She's doing it with extreme precision. The bag is almost finished, but of course, before we see the final result, we need to add the hardware pieces.
Ti faccio vedere come si monta per prima cosa il girello. Questo va messo nella parte frontale della borsa, la parte che va sul retro con le viti e a questo punto si avvitano le viti fino in fondo. Ok, successivamente si monta la maniglia. Il perno va montato nell'apposito foro e serve per bloccare l'accessorio sull'attacco. Prima un lato e poi l'altro. A questo punto si verifica il girello e i bottoni.
I really learned so much from my visit to the Fendi workshops here in Tuscany. The bags are made with so much care and craftsmanship. I think it's time for the big moment, because I've just received a package from Fendi. I'm so excited to open it. Oh my God, you guys. There she is, the Fendi Peekaboo interlace bag in camellia colorway. Look at the details, the incredible Fendi craftsmanship. You can really tell a lot of the handiwork and labor that goes into this bag. The lacing itself is just beyond. It's so elegant and sophisticated. She's stunning. She's absolutely stunning. It's been fascinating to see the amount of work that goes into making a Fendi bag. You can't help but feel so appreciative of the craftsmanship that the artisans devote their hours to, the precise stitching, cutting, interlacing, painting, and all the other specifically developed techniques that guarantee the generational quality of this piece. I am so happy to welcome this brand new Fendi Peekaboo interlace bag in my collection. I love it so much. Peekaboo.